Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of July the 14th through the 20th, 2023. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's have the same deals, but not always. So always check your own ads and prices in store. Sorry about the background noise, but I do have my air conditioner on and it needs to stay on because it's super hot out. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into the deals. So I told you guys about these things last week. They were $1.50 last week. I wish I would have waited. This week, guys, they're only 60 cents a bag. Yes, I grabbed even more than what is pictured here. I didn't clear the shelves. There's actually boxes and boxes of these guys at my store. They're not in the candy aisle. They were in the seasonal aisle where like the 4th of July stuff is. So check and see if your store has them. They also have the peanut kind. That is really cheap for M&ms. I told you guys, my kids are bribed with M&ms. They get at the store, we come home, they can have M&ms. So they work for all different kinds of things. With 60 cents, guys, really, really great deal. The Lipton, my husband will be excited about this deal. That was buy 5, earn back 200 points. They're $2 a piece. I had $2 off printables and a $1 digital coupon. I also will get back $1 from the Shop Me app, making it a cost of $4 or only 80 cents each. And they moved these guys to like the end aisle where they put the sale items. They're not even on the shelf anymore with like the Snapple and the Arizona tea. So check different areas for things when you can't find them, or ask somebody. The Allegra Children's, this isn't the best deal, but if you have kids and you like to have this on hand, I felt like it was a great deal. $1.99. There's a $5 digital that's attaching to that. $4 back on Ibotta, making it $2.29. I will submit my receipt to Shop Me. I don't know if I'm gonna get $5 back or not, but we'll see on that. The Smithfield bacon is $4.99. $2 digital makes it $2.99. I found these guys on clearance for 34 cents. Yes, I have to put them in my freezer, but for that price, I'll go ahead and grab them. Just a quick little tip, if you break them apart, it's easier to just pull out of the freezer what you need instead of thawing the whole thing and then only needing like 3 rolls. So just a little tip there. I was also able to grab, I didn't put it in this video, some ground beef that was marked down and a package of pork chops for like 92 cents. So always check your meat department. It really is amazing if you can get an extra freezer to keep all your great deals. Gogurt is 2 for $5, $1.50 off of 2 digital, 2.50 cents back on Ibotta, making it $2.50 or $1.25 each. Possibly back $1.50 on Shop Me, but I don't know, guys. I don't even want to do matchups anymore with them because the last time I had really counted on that 3 rebates, some of them were higher value, and it did not give me it back. And then the next receipt I sent, then it accepts it. It's kind of hit or miss for me, so do what you want there. I may get it. What I'm probably going to do is just always submit my receipts, and if I get it, great. If not, I'm not going to count on it. Okay, Poptarts are 4 for $10. There is, it actually just makes them $2 each when you buy 4. It's not an actual digital coupon, but you do have to clip it. And then I was able to use $2 off of 2 printables from the Kellogg's website, making them $6 or $1.50 each. Super cheap breakfast. The cheese deal, hopefully you unlocked your rebates because this expires, I think, today at some point, or maybe it's tomorrow. It may refresh, but it may not. Spend 20, save $7 instantly. I grabbed 5 of the sticks and 1 of the cubes. 75 cents back on Ibotta on the sticks. However, and it's also 75 cents on the cubes. However, these 2 white, the extra sharp white, they gave me back $1 because it thought I was buying the big block of cheese. So I got an extra 50 cents back on the deal than expected. And like I said, they're no longer available to load to your list if you did not do that earlier. So for me, it was a cost of $9 or only $1.50 a piece. My family loves cheese, so this was a grab deal for me. Now, I'm just going to tell you right off, the cheapest thing to get here would be Fruit Loops. But I'm kind of tired of Fruit Loops, and this Crave cereal was included, and my family really likes this, and we don't get this that often. So I went ahead and spent a little bit extra pocket, but you can definitely get cheaper items. Buy 3, save $6. And also the little individual boxes of cereal, I think like 8 packs, they're $3.29. So it would be a pretty good deal if you like to have those. My family wouldn't eat like 2 of those varieties, so I didn't want to waste money and get something we wouldn't like. But keep in mind that is also an option for you. So I grabbed 3 boxes at $4.39. I used $1 off of 2 printable from the Kellogg's website, 50 cents back on Ibotta on Crave. There's $1 back on Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops and something else that's included. So like I said, you can get it cheaper. Total cost for me was $4.67 for 3 boxes, or only $1.56 each. And for this cereal that we really like, that's a good enough deal. Perdue is $2.50. We don't have coupons or Ibotta, but I feel like that's a quick, easy meal, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. Just a little warning here, guys. I did these on separate cards, and they're supposed to be $1.99. They're 75 cents back on Ibotta. It rang up at $3.50, and I had that digital coupon clip, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Just a heads up there, you might want to hit up customer service. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. I don't know what was going on, but I did not get that. The Blue Bunny soft serve is $3.49. Again, this week you can redeem 150 choice points for $3 off any ice cream or frozen treat. So I went ahead and did this deal again. $1 digital coupon on the Blue Bunny, $3 off, but I did pay $1.50 for it with the points. So total cost is a 51-cent moneymaker if you don't include that I spent my points. I like to include that I spent my points, so it makes it a cost of only 99 cents. And I'm going to make little chocolate chip cookies and sandwich them with ice cream and put in a freezer to take to a thing at our church. So just a little idea there. And the last thing is on the super coffee. My husband will be super excited about this. So they're $2 a piece. Buy 5, earn back 200 points. Every week, guys, I've been getting 75-cent Catalinas on super coffee. I was just gonna throw them all away because I didn't think I was ever gonna use that, but I'm glad I kept them. So if you've been shopping at Giant and been getting those every week, it is a really good deal. Over on Fetch, they're giving you back 500 points up to 4 times, so it's 2,000 points back, making it a cost of only $2.25 or only 45 cents a piece. My husband will love to grab these to take to work with him. All right, guys, so that's all the deals I grabbed this week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to include any other deals for everyone else to check out, definitely do so in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.